Alright guys, so this right here is the FL Studios hip hop preset. So right now I'm gonna play this right now with no effects on it.
This fade on the keys.
What it gotta do with love?
I bet my last track probably get you locked up.
You say you been keeping it real, but I can't even see that. You want me to be that man for you, but I cannot be that. You been showing me fake love, and I can't compete that. I've been caught up in all these drugs that I can't receive it. She said she hold my heart, but she do it in the dark.
Now I'm gonna play it with the effects on.
This fade on the keys.
What it gotta do with love?
I bet my last track probably get you locked up.
You say you been keeping it real, but I can't even see that. You want me to be that man for you, but I cannot be that. You been showing me fake love, and I can't compete that. I've been caught up in all these drugs that I can't deceive it. She said she hold my heart, but she do it in the dark.
So now I'm gonna go over the effects that I use for this preset. We're gonna start off with a picture, which is auto tune. You guys gotta remember, you gotta have it to the correct key of the song for it to work properly. Second is EQ. I removed quite a bit of low end there, up to 88 hertz, and then subtracted more as needed. Now I got compression, kind of went to 18 dB on that. And my first compression is on hard, and the attack is pretty fast as well, including the release. I got another EQ, removed more of the low end, um, removed more low end, bumped that up. This side gives it a little bit more oomph to it, depending on the person's vocals. Remove some here in the mid and some high mid, and then boosted up the highs. And then I got another compressor, and this one is a bit slower on the attack, and a mid release on this one, and at a soft softening. On this one I also turned up the gain, and then another EQ. I use this one basically just to, you know, turn up some of the mids and the highs. Then I use Maximus as a de-esser for the song. Added some reverb and delay. And that's basically it for this one. It's not that complicated, and all the plugins are stock. So I almost forgot to add the telephone effect for you guys' ad libs. I'm gonna play that right now for you guys.
You say you been keeping it real, but I can't even see that. You want me to be that man for you, but I cannot be that. You been showing me fake love, and I can't compete that. I've been caught up in all these drugs that I can't receive it. She said she hold my heart.
So yeah, that's basically it. I'm gonna place that on track 3, bus 3. So all you gotta do is just add your vocals into track 3, and that's basically it. This is how the EQ looks like to get that effect. It's pretty simple, and that's it. So if you guys got any questions or anything, you guys can hit me up on Instagram. I'll leave my information down in the description. Now I'm gonna play it with the effects on.
His feet on the keys. What it gotta do with love?
I bet my last track probably get you locked.
You say you been keeping it real, but I can't even see that. You want me to be that man for you, but I cannot be that. You been showing me fake love, and I can't compete that. I've been caught up in all these drugs, and I can't deceive it. She said she hold my heart, but she threw it in the door.